that shit.
What's up, guys? We are the people from the Typical Millennial Podcast. This is our drunk cooking show.
We have a
what do we
cooking
name
show
it? What's it called?
It's drunk cooking with the boys.
Drunk cooking with the boys.
So you better get your beers out.
Let's get this started.
Pop that shit.
Ice cold mugs. Let's pour this shit.
Here we go.
Don't embarrass me on your pour, dude. Please. If you have more foam than beer, okay, I'll use this better. This is how we're gonna start all of these, because this is drinking with the boy.
With the boys.
What's it?
Drunk cooking with the boys.
Yeah, drunk cooking with the boys.
And we're the boys. Hell yeah.
That's what it's gonna be. You ready?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude. So this is just basic. It's gonna be super crispy, basic chicken strips. Easy to make and cheap.
Why are the chicken strips in full fucking chicken breast, bro?
Because that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut them, but first
we're gonna cut them. Okay.
We're gonna get to that. We gotta do the other prep stuff first. All right.
Hell yeah! What are we doing?
So I got 2 eggs right here, right?
Yeah. Now what do the eggs do? Why are you putting eggs in there?
It just helps everything stick together at the end.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put some buttermilk in here a little bit. Just mix it.
Okay.
Make that look like, not like that.
Great job.
All right, so just basic stuff. I'm gonna get some flour. Just estimate it. Just put a whole bunch in there. They're good.
Bro, that's what I'm doing.
Just beat that shit. So this is just regular flour, all-purpose flour. I'm just putting 3 basic seasonings in there. Should be good. Got some fajita spice. We're getting drunk, right? Oh, we're getting drunk, right?
Yeah, we're getting drunk, boy.
Right, so evenly spread that out. Got the fajita spice. All right, now we got some lemon pepper. Just basic lemon pepper. And then last but not least, just some paprika.
Fuck, this is my nose, dude.
Get a better nose. We're getting drunk, right?
I'm cooking with the boys.
Yeah, nice and real beat.
How you doing?
You beat your eggs like you beat your meat.
Hell yeah.
So we beat the egg, right? This is buttermilk. Regular buttermilk. Shake it around because that shit.
What does that mean, buttermilk?
It's buttermilk.
I've never seen buttermilk. What the fuck?
Alright, so just pour that in with the egg. This is how I normally cook it. Just fuck it. It's gonna taste really good.
Right, looks like popcorn.
So I bought this. We're gonna use the rest of this to make homemade ranch later, which is really fucking good. I'm gonna make some of these strips and some of them boneless buffalo wings. Don't do that. Don't stop the chicken, dude. Okay, we're gonna have to cut those things. Alright, so we're gonna use the rest of this to make the ranch later, so put this to the side.
Oh shit, what up?
No, just mix it. There you go.
So is this Bush Light?
Now we're going to Dos Equis. What I like to do is the paprika that we put in the flour earlier. Just do a little coat on top. You can't see that, but just do it. Just spray it on the top a little bit. Just mix that in. All right, so now we got the basic batter down. Okay, so now we're gonna cut these into strips and little bites. Don't do it like that. Don't do it like that. Really pissed me off right now, dude. You're right. Hey, you are drinking with us? You better be drinking with us.
I want to see a goddamn shot in your hand, dog. Let me see it.
Cold Stone. I've been arrested. God, I really wish you would stop slapping at me. Stop beating me, dude.
Okay.
You see how these lines right here? You want to cut against those. So when the thing's on here, you cut it like that. Because when you bite it, it's gonna tear into your mouth. You don't pull it. Because people will do it like this, and then you're like pulling the meat. If you do it against the grain, it's gonna you're gonna bite it. It's just better. Just do it. Okay.
Just fucking do it, dog.
So what you're gonna do, if you notice on the chicken, some of them are this way, and then it goes this way. So what I like to do is I'll do a little one right here, do like a little cut, and then cut it, and then do diagonal right here. And you'll see what I do right now.
Bro, this is the best cooking show I've ever seen, man. I'm like, oh fuck, man.
Alright, this is a pretty big slice, but
That's a chicken strip?
yeah. When it's fried, you're gonna see exactly what. Okay. I like to cut this part off because I usually make. Nah, you can still cook it, but it just depends what you like. If you like just fresh just straight meat.
That's just gross, dog.
Alright, so
get a close up on that fucking ugly piece of shit right there, dog. It's just fucking nasty, man. I wish this thing never existed, bruh.
This kind of looks like you.
It's me, but in chicken. You better be drinking with us.
And then this one, this line in the middle.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it. You're still. I usually just cut it right there, and that'll be the last strip right there.
Do all of them have that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You see? If you look.
It sounds so moist.
You see?
With the boys.
You see what I didn't want Eric to do when he sliced that earlier? So that's gonna be in the in this chicken strip because he wanted to.
It's not.
He wanted to stab the chicken, and this is what it looks like now. All wonky. Don't stab your chicken while you're doing it. Don't do what he did.
It's fucking. We out here, dude.
Maybe don't cook with your friends.
Damn it! I'm your boy Champagne and I'm gonna cut this piece of chicken, dog. Alright, so what John said is this thing nasty, gross. You fuck out of my life, dude. You don't deserve to exist, dude. And then John said, cut this stupid ass slice out of existence. Fuck you, dude. And then get him over there, cause
that's a good piece. That's a good little strip. It's so that's a sharp ass knife. Dude, don't do that. This knife is really sharp. What's your problem?
I want to see how sharp it was.
It's super sharp, dude.
It didn't cut me.
Man, I wish you started bleeding out. Alright. Oh, don't wipe. Oh man, I fucked up. I wiped my chicken hands on there. I wiped my lips. That's disgusting.
My boy got salmonella on his lips.
It's okay.
Hell yeah.
This is how I do the setup because it's just easier. Do a pan, flour, and then the buttermilk. You get the chicken strip, throw it in the flour that we made earlier. Get it real nice and dressed.
Ooh.
Fan it out a little bit. You see where he cut it? Because he's a dumbass.
Put it in the fucking
Then you
sugar.
put it, it's not sugar. You put it in the buttermilk.
Oh shit. What the fuck?
Drip it a little bit. Put it back in the flour.
Oh.
Just get it nice and battered.
Sorry.
This isn't badass homemade ranch that you can make at home, and it tastes.
It's a badass homemade ranch you can make at home.
All right, so what you do? You pour. It depends on how much ranch you want to make, but I'm gonna make a good amount that's gonna last for a while. So I'm gonna put 2 2/3 cup. I got this small ass cup, but 2 2/3 cup. 2 1/3 cup. 2 2/3 cup of buttermilk. You're gonna get regular mayonnaise. Hellman's is what I use. It kind of tastes good. If you like Wingstop ranch, I promise you, I'm gonna teach you how to make Wingstop ranch right now. Don't sue me, Wingstop.
Is Wingstop worldwide?
I don't know. All right, so I cleared everything out from this. Put in all the mixer. So 2 2/3 cups of buttermilk and 2 2/3 cups of mayonnaise. Then you're just gonna mix all this. Just mix it to where it's like, it'll look thick. You'll know when it's like ranch.
It looks like pancake mix.
Yeah. So I pour it in. Just pour it in about, I don't know if you want to get in on this.
I'm in on it, boy. I'm out here, dude.
I know, right? You're shuffling so hard. I'll pour it about halfway. Maybe a little bit more. Just pour this whole for the
Alright, dude.
Just let it sit, because if you put the chicken in too soon, it's not gonna cook right. It's gonna soak in all the oil and shit. It's not gonna taste as good. So you gotta get this shit really hot. So I would give it about, like, if you're just pouring the oil in and just turning it on, give it about like 10-15 minutes to really heat up. While cooking or whatever. Nah, you gotta drink again because you drank without it. Alright, I'm gonna drop a couple in. I'm gonna let Eric drop. If I could do it, anyone could do it. Yeah, that's exactly how you want it to look. When you put it in, you want it to be boiling right away. If you put it in and there's like no boiling and it's too soft, that means you put it in too soon. Always test it with one. If it's not, don't put your face so close to it. You're gonna burn your face. If you put one in and it doesn't boil like that, just leave it in. Just let that one cook. That will let the oil heat up a little bit. That's what I do. We're gonna let Eric put the rest in.
Oh!
Put some more in. Put the strips. Do the strips. Yeah. Just drop it in. But hurry though, yeah, not like that. Just keep moving them around. It'll start floating to the top. Once it floats, it's pretty much good. If anything, you gotta let them chill. That's what I'm saying. So once it starts getting kind of like this, just take them all out and just let them chill for a little bit. Drink it with the boys, right?
Whoa.
All right. Fine.
Shout out to our manager.
All right. Drink it with the boys. You keep drinking with us. Yo, honestly, I'm pretty fucking buzzed right now. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. So honestly, the rest of this video, just kind of look at the food, if anything. This is the finishing product. Just do some of the boneless. I got the boneless. He has a strip.
Oh shit.
I liked the sauce that we made earlier. This is the sauce we made earlier. Pour some on top.
Picoso.
If you like that hot, pour some in here. You want yours?
Drinking with the boys.
Drinking with the boys.
Bon
You
appetit.
doing it, man? There you go. Yeah? Y'all follow this? Every ingredient, recipe, every step I took. Follow it, and you know what it's called, right? Drinking with the boys. Y'all chug the rest of this. Just end the video like that, like we finish it.
Alright. Bye.